Happy New Year's Day to you all. I'm here in Cyprus, just enjoying the sunshine, and I'm about to go for a lovely walk and just to appreciate life itself. I'm so grateful to God that I'm here, I'm alive, I'm able to enjoy this beautiful sunshine, and there's lots of people around, and you can probably hear the music in the background. This is someone who's just playing naturally, and it's just such a wonderful way to start the year, you know, on a positive note, to just see people walking around happy, smiling, and listening to the music sounds, for example. And also, you know, it's just lovely. Just taking a pause on work is good as well, just to appreciate what we have and what we can really get from this new year that's here upon us, and just to see what it is that we want to achieve for 2025. But also what's important is to look at what it is that we want to achieve, but at the same time enjoy every moment, because today is just as important as what the future is. So really think about being present and enjoying the moment with your loved ones, with family, you perhaps don't see them all the time. Perhaps you only see them once a year. Perhaps you only see them, every 3 months, for example, or monthly, or maybe it's sometime years has gone by and you haven't seen your loved ones. So enjoy this time with your loved ones. Today is about, it's a new year, but it's about renewal of self. And remember, I talk about the eagle mentality, that the eagle soars high and rebirths. So, like I was saying, it's New Year's Day. We should start the year as we mean to go on. And for me, today is about renewal. It's about a fresh start. It's about starting the day, doing the things that you love to do, and really enjoying the time to really think and process how the 2025 has been so far. And so far for me, it's been absolutely wonderful. I'm blessed to be here, to be able to walk for an hour and a half or more and just enjoying the day. Like I said, we need to be present with today to enjoy our time with family, with our loved ones, with friends, and just to see the beauty that's around us, that we've got around us, and to appreciate it. No matter where we are in the world, there's got to be somewhere that is beautiful that you can really take in and enjoy and have fun with your day. Because for me, being a CEO is also about, yes, we work hard, but at the same time, it is about us taking time out and to enjoy the beauty that is around us, because life is so short. And I want to take every moment and breathe it in. Like I said, for me, it's like a renewal, the eagle mentality. They always say the eagle has landed. It's an old saying. And I believe that is the case. Today is the first day of the year, 2025. And I'm going to embrace it with all of my heart, my power, my love, my soul. And I'm going to focus on renewing me. And I do feel renewed from inside, but I have to also make sure that I do things that I enjoy doing, not just pleasing everybody, doing the things that I want to do to enjoy my life, because life is so short. It really is. And we need to really look at that. What are we doing today? It's January the 1st, 2025. How have we started the year? Start it strong. Do what you love to do. Go out, walk. I know it's possibly cold where you are, but put a coat on. put a raincoat on, put a duffel coat on, and just get out and get some fresh air and just enjoy life. Just enjoy it and be with yourself if you need to be, to enjoy yourself. Because sometimes when you go out with too many people, you don't actually get to enjoy what you want to do because you're too focused on what everyone else wants. So then you don't actually get to enjoy what you truly wanted to do for that day. So today is for me about renewal, like I said, but also doing things that I love to do. And that is why I'm here today, enjoying this beautiful, beautiful sunshine and just working together, just looking and appreciating life, because life is so short. You know, we've only got one life to live, and we want to be able to focus on enjoying the things that we love to do, because we do work really hard. And like for me, for example, I work long days, long shifts, and for me being able to do this, just to spend the New Year's Day, which is in the week, and just to breathe in the fresh air, just to take a deep breath and just to breathe in the fresh air and just be at one with myself. I'm walking with my husband as well, but you know, I just like to be able to do these things because this is my year to do these things. I'm going to do more of these things. Like I said, 2025 is like a semi-retirement year for me, and I'm working towards the goals of being semi-retired. And I don't want to be working 6 days a week anymore. I want to work 3 days a week, and the 4 days out of the week doing the things that I actually love to do, and that is walking. Like I said, I want to be able to even walk for a whole day if I need to, if I want to. It's in my heart, so I don't feel that time is ruling how much walking I can do, how much health that I can have. And that's why I'm going to be also focusing on my cooking, which I love the cooking shows that I'm doing, because like I said, I'm going to be trying quite a lot of different foods that's like vegan, healthy foods that I've really enjoyed over the last couple of months, and I want to be able to share that with you. So what is it that you feel that you want to do for 2025? I would love to see your comments here. What is your 10 things that you're going to be focusing on in 2025? You should have really have done your New Year's resolution, not today, but you know, a couple of months ago really, so that you could start working on it from day one. Like I said, 2025 is like the eagle mentality, and you all know the story of the eagle mentality, and I want to help you to work on your business, doing the things that you love to do, whether it's a hobby, whether it's a passive income, whether it's here on YouTube, for example. What is it that you want to do for 2025? Because really the world is your oyster. We can achieve so much. There's so much here for everybody to actually enjoy and to grow and to develop. And that's what I want to see us all do, is that we grow, we develop, we do the things that we love to do in life. Yes, we go to work. I'm not saying to give your job up at all. What I'm saying is that you can work on the things that you love to do outside of your work hours. That if you really do have that passion to do that, you will find the time, you'll find the energy to work on the things that you love to do. And this is one of my things that I love to do. I love to see this beautiful, look at this beautiful sunshine. It's just beautiful. The sea, the fresh air is so good for your energy. It's like, I call it like brainwashing. We're clearing out the old, and we're opening up the new that's within us, so that we can grow and develop and see things in a different light than we normally would not see. We normally wouldn't see all of this. I know when I was working full, flat out driving in the UK, I was just driving, getting in my car, driving to where I needed to go, and then I'd come back again, and I didn't really look around to see what was around me. I didn't get time to smell the roses. I didn't get to see the birds. I didn't get to hear the seashore. I didn't get to look at the beauty that's around us. And we're missing out if we're not doing that. If we're not looking at nature, we're missing out, because nature is the most valuablest thing in life that we could ever have. To have our health, that's valuable. It's not money, it's the health. It's the freedom, it's the time freedom. That's what we want. We want to be healthy. We want to have that time to do the things that we love to do. And that, for me, is what 2025 means to me, is to have that time freedom to do the things that I love, to go for walks, to eat beautiful food, not necessarily be in these restaurants. Now, look, you can see around you that restaurants in the UK, I'm referring to here, a lot of the top restaurants, they're closing. Why do you think that is? It's because people are going on YouTube, for example, they're watching YouTube videos, and they're actually learning to cook these healthy foods that you can get in an expensive restaurant. You don't have to go to an expensive restaurant to eat well. You can eat well at home. You can make your own healthy foods. Like I said to you, I'm starting to do vegan food, and it tastes delicious, and I want to share that with you because I know it's healthy as well, but also at the same time, you're not spending a lot of money. A lot of people are just going to restaurants all the time, and they're spending lots of money. 2025 is about saving and then using that money to spend it on the things that you want to spend it on. Because like I said, the restaurants, they're closing, the retail shops are closing, for example, because we can get everything online. We can cook the best meals at home for our family, for our loved ones, at a fraction of the price, and then put that money to save it for a rainy day, as they say. We've all heard that saying, save your money for a rainy day. But 2025, we're here, inflation's here, but what is it that we can do that's not going to compromise what we were doing before, but make it better for ourselves? That is spending that time, even if you're batch cooking or cooking meals that don't take long, but is going to be healthy. I showed you the one-pan meals that I do, where you can even cook for a family for $10, and it's healthy as well. So what is it that you plan to do for 2025 to bring you into this beautiful, beautiful year that we are now in, and get to see what is around us? Nature, beauty, health and fitness. Like me, I've been doing my hour and a half walks every day. I've been doing my HIIT exercises. I'm now in a size 10. I'm fitting in my clothes again, and I'm so pleased about that. I feel more stronger than what I did before. I feel like the eagle that went up to the mountains, had to rebirth itself, and I've come back even stronger. And I'm here 2025, and I'm going to embrace it, and I'm going to grow even more. And I want you to grow with me. I want us all to grow together, and I'll be showing you things that maybe you may be able to use, and it may help you in your business life, or even in your personal life, in your hobbies that you want to do. But today is New Year's Day, and I'm here walking, enjoying the sunshine, keeping fit, and I just want to wish you all a happy new year. Happy New Year's Day to you all. Take care. God bless. Bye.